Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a get ready with me. I did purchase some new products because this one looked too good. It was not in my planning, not even in my no buy / low buy list, but I bought the NYX new products, the glaze skin tint, the dark plump lip liner and the lip IV because they were available and I was surprised really. And then I purchased the L'Oreal Lumi blush. So these are the 4 main products that I want to test today. I bought as well the Essence, the Super Balm. So we have some products to test today. Let's start with prepping the lips and then we can talk about the product. I'm using as always the L'Oreal lip balm. For primer, actually I'm gonna use the newer primer from NYX. This is the face glue. I do really like this one, so I think it will work with the skin tint. So let's apply it and let it sit just for a minute. The lip IV was the main product that I was interested in, and as well the lip liner. I knew from the beginning that I want to purchase them as soon as they are available in Romania, but I was surprised that the lip glaze is available because usually NYX with foundations or formulas that have multiple shades, it takes so long, sometimes maybe, I don't know, 6-9 months to be available here, so I was surprised. So let's talk about this one. It is the Buttermelt Glaze Soft Glow Skin Tint Protection SPF 30, which is nice, but I do already have. I will list them below as usual, everything that I will use today, but I do have some SPF already on. This is the shade number 3, Cashew Butta. I really don't like these names, they are a bit tacky in my opinion. And this is the Buttermelt line, which I actually don't even like. I don't like the bronzer and the blush. It is just too... Oh, I think this shade could be pretty good for me. It is a bit dark, but I do have a bit of self-tanner left, and this is very low coverage, so I think it will be okay. The bronzer and the blush are just way too pigmented for my taste, in my opinion. Even the lightest shades look way too dark and way too visible, so they are not for me. And I'm gonna use a sponge to blend it out. So this is light coverage for sure, just to even out the skin. And it looks pretty nice, even though it's a bit darker for my skin tone. I'm gonna just apply a bit more, but I don't think I could get any coverage. This looks very healthy, glowy and really beautiful so far. I'm gonna use just a bit of the NYX Bear With Me concealer just to cover some pimples right here and for the under eyes, of course. The base looks pretty good. I'm gonna apply some Huda Beauty powder because I don't have a loose powder from the drugstore, and then I'm gonna apply the bronzer from Essence, the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, the brows are done as well. I'm very curious about this product. I purchased 3 blushes already and it's not even the middle of February. So I need to stop and I need to calm down, but I was waiting for this one in particular for like 6 months. I really wanted to test it and finally it is here. I have a lot of hope in this product and I really want this one to be like the Rare Beauty blush but with some shimmer, and if that's the case I will love it. So let's see. This is the shade Glowy Warm Peach and I'm excited. It has a normal doe foot applicator and I want to apply it as similar as possible to the Rare Beauty one, so I'm gonna do 2 dots. I'm gonna take a flat foundation brush and just blend it out and hope for the best. It is very liquidy. Let me put some more, and I did put some powder on, so that's that, but the Rare Beauty one works on powder as well. Okay, it looks great so far, so it is already better than the GRWM one that I purchased. I am annoyed. Now I have an empty spot. Let me blend it. I think you cannot understand how annoyed I am right now because this cheek looks perfect. It looked from the beginning, and this one I tried for 5 minutes. I'm staying here and blending, applying more, removing more. I'm just trying to cover this empty spot and I cannot. It is impossible and I'm so annoyed. I'm gonna leave it like that and we will check this cheek. So I'm gonna try it again another day. I need to calm down. This is just makeup, so let's relax. Let's do something for the lips. I did remove the excess lip balm and I want to apply the lip IV first, and then I'm gonna leave it while we are doing the rest of the makeup, and then I'm gonna remove the excess and see how the stain looks and then apply something on top. This is the Lip IV Hydrating Gloss Serum. I know that this is a stain, but it doesn't say in here. This is the shade 2 Hydra Honey. I heard that the darker shades are stronger, but at the same time I don't want to wear a black gloss. If this has a nice, decent stain, it will be great because it is a thicker gloss. You can apply it like a normal gloss. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. It looks even. So if this is nice, I'm gonna purchase a darker shade as well and I'm gonna test it out, but so far I really love this shade. I have high hopes. Let me apply some powder blush on top of this one. Let's do something very, very fast for the eyes because I don't have anything new there and I don't care today that much about eyeshadow. The face is the star of the show today and the lips, of course. So I'm gonna use this shade all over the lid. This is a Wet n Wild palette. All over the lid like this. And then I'm gonna apply the Bobbi Brown in the shade Golden Bronze in the waterline and a bit on the lower lash. I'm putting the shimmery shade from here in the inner corner and a bit dragging it in here just to open up the eye. And then I'm gonna put a bit of brown mascara and that's the look. I do want to apply a bit of the face glue setting spray as well. So let's remove the lip IV. Okay, so clearly I can see a bit of a stain. It looks so nice and so even. I'm so happy because this is my third lip stain and the two others were watery lip stains and they were awful. One from e.l.f., one from Clarins. I don't like them. I still own the Clarins one. You can use it in a particular way. I'm gonna talk about it in a speed review, but this is way more affordable and better in my opinion. I will of course test it a lot more. I need to see if the gloss is wearing nicely throughout the day because I just removed it. So I need to see how it looks throughout the day and as well to see how long this stain will last, because if it will disappear in like 5 minutes, what's the point? Let's test the lip liner though. This is the same packaging as the eyeliners and this is the Plumping lip liner in the shade Fill M In. I did test the Too Faced Plumping lip liner and I actually finished it up, so I did really like it and I'm hoping that this will not be extremely painful. And the Too Faced one, it is a click up, this is a twist up. So that's that. Let's see. I don't love the shape, it doesn't let me be extremely precise, but yeah, let's wait a bit because right now I don't feel anything. I'm gonna put on top of the Essence the Super Balm. This one I was a bit surprised because it is very thick and nourishing. I did use it I think one more time, so I need to use it more, but it has that giant doe foot applicator which I really like because I really don't enjoy when I need to dip in the product like a million times, one dip should be enough for the whole lip. So this is the final look. It is tingly a bit, the lip liner, but I'm gonna wait. While we are talking, maybe it will tingle a bit more. So let's talk about the products for today. The glaze from NYX, it looks flawless on the skin so far. It is light coverage, so don't expect too much. It is a lot of skincare ingredients in here, but at least it is 12 months of shelf life, which is great for a skin tint, like a normal amount, but it is good. And it looks flawless, really. And it worked great with the Bear With Me serum concealer as well. What else? The blush, I'm just so annoyed because this cheek, I'm gonna show you a bit closer. This cheek looks incredible. It doesn't feel sticky, it looks nice, it has a sheen. I don't have any highlighter on, I just used this one. It looks beautiful, really. And this cheek, it annoyed the heck out of me because I had like a big blob of nothing. So I need to test it more. Maybe you are supposed to apply just one layer and that's it. Don't touch it, don't even look at it, because otherwise it will look patchy and uneven. And so I will test it more. I hope I'm not gonna have this experience all the time. The Lip IV, this is my favorite product from the video for sure. I have high hopes that this is a good stain. And now the lip liner, it is burning a bit. Unfortunately, this has 6 months of shelf life. The Lip IV has 12, which is a bit decent, but 6 months for a lip liner, it's a bit of a shorter period. But this is a twist up and it is pretty creamy, so maybe it is possible to use it up in that amount of time. Yes, my lips are burning a bit, but I do like lip plumpers, so it is totally fine. I don't see the plumping effect that much. Obviously, I have a gloss on, so they will look plumper anyway. And as well, a lip liner usually makes your lips look a bit bigger because they are more defined and everything. They look nice. I'm gonna see. Of course, I'm gonna use them with other products, and I'm gonna use this one as a normal lip gloss and see how long it wears and everything. But yeah, so far I really like it. So this was the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time.